So I'm learning a lot of great new things on Excel, but I may have trouble remembering all of this. So where can I get some help in case I need it?
You are going to have trouble remembering everything. I know I've used help quite a bit as well in Excel. Now, a lot of times you're going to see help options along the way, and as we go through Excel, I'll point some of those out to you. But let's look and see where you can pull up help on your screen. So there's really two ways. Go to the File tab first of all. And if you look in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a question mark beside the smiley faces, and it says Excel Help, and you'll also notice beside that in parentheses it says F1, and that's going to be your keyboard shortcut. So anytime, anywhere, you can hit F1, and Help's going to pull up. Go ahead and click on that. We happen to be on the Info tab, so when you clicked the Help icon, that's what it pulled up. But now you'll notice that there's a search icon up in the corner. You could click on that, and then you could go in and look for any information that you need. So this is going to be online help in Excel, and it'll give you steps and show you examples and all sorts of great things that you want to find out about in Excel.
So let's say, for example, I wanted to know how to use Autofill. So I'll just go ahead and type this in.
Go ahead and choose options. Good.
And there's all my information.
Right, so I would probably pick that first option, fill data automatically in worksheet cells. So now it's going to give you a lot of information about how to do that, and if it's not exactly what you were looking for, then there's other related items over there on the left-hand side.
I like that.
So now anytime you have a question and I'm not here sitting right beside you, you'll know how to figure out the answer on your own.